is for astronaut, floating up so high. B is for baker, making cakes and pie. C is for carpenter, building things so strong. D is for doctor, helping all day long. E is for engineer, designing something new. F is for firefighter, rushing to rescue. G is for gardener, growing flowers bright. H is for hairdresser, making hair just right. I is for inventor, creating brand new things. J is for juggler, tossing up some rings. K is for key maker, crafting keys so neat. L is for librarian, with every book you need. M is for musician, playing songs with cheer. N is for nurse, helping people heal each year. O is for oceanographer, studying the sea. P is for pilot, flying fast and free. Q is for Queen's Guard, standing very tall. R is for ranger, protecting forests all. S is for scientist, making cool discoveries. T is for teacher, bringing knowledge, fun, and ease. U is for umpire, making fair calls in the game. V is for vet, helping pets stay strong and tame. W is for writer, telling stories old and new. X is for X-ray tech, checking bones for you. Y is for yoga teacher, keeping bodies fit. Z is for zookeeper, feeding lions bit